The realtor Florine Stoichescu found out that visiting new homes builders without him by your side can be hazardous. Due to his priority relationship with Las Vegas home builders, Florine Stoichescu has access to all new homes, all new communities, and standing inventory. If you're ready to explore the option of new home ownership or resale, let Florine Stoichescu know how to envision your family living. Tell him your wants and needs, what's important to you, and he will find the community and the home that matches lifestyle and it fits in your budget.